welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Now this is just a random vlog. I don't know what's going to happen in today's video, but I just want to pick my camera up and do some vlogging because I do have a lot of ideas for my regular videos as well. But मेरा जो tripod है उसके ऊपर का जो वो जो क्या होता है clamp mount, हाँ, I lost that. I don't know where that is. I just misplaced it. I cannot remember where I left it. Last I used it back in Pune and then I came here to Bombay. तभी use नहीं किया था मैंने बिल्कुल भी. पुणे में use किया था last, but पुणे में भी नहीं है, यहाँ पे भी नहीं है. I got everything else, but I don't have that. And उसके बिना तो कैमरा रुकता नहीं है tripod पे. So the tripod is of no use, and I just have my vlogging tripod with me. And ये बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा है. I cannot get the background that I want for my sit down videos. So I don't think I'll be able to shoot any sit down videos until the clamp mount arrives. I did call for another one. तो जब तक वो नहीं आता, we'll do some vlogging. I just want to pick my camera and vlog. So I just woke up some time back and freshened up, and I'm just going to do my skincare right now, and then we'll do some cooking. This video is just going to be lots of cooking and lots of Inaya playing, Inaya eating. I just wanted to show you guys what I do basically. I am at home abhi to because it's lockdown, कहीं जा नहीं सकते. It's a weekend and everything is closed. I don't think I'll be stepping out anywhere. If I do, I will vlog, but this is just going to be a random vlog with lots of cooking and lots of Inaya playing and just lots of Inaya doing her stuff. I just wanted to put it out there so that you guys can also see and enjoy. And yeah, I'm just going to start my skincare doing a little bit of toning. I'm using the Good Vibes Rose Toner. It's been a while since I used this because I left it back in Bombay and मुँह में चला गया. I left it back in Bombay and I was in Pune for I guess over a month I believe, या उससे भी ज़्यादा. So काफ़ी टाइम से यूज़ नहीं किया था, so I'm just using that. And then I have my vitamin C. I store it in this black carton box. I don't know if I've mentioned already in the vlog, but this is the minimalist vitamin C that I have been using lately, and I am going to come up with a full review of this. But abhi ke liye it's working fine. I'm just going to dot it all over my face. I love using vitamin C in the morning because रात को I apply alpha butane and I don't want to layer a lot of actives together. So vitamin C works really well for me in the morning, and I don't have super sensitive skin. I have normal skin. So if you have like super sensitive skin, then skip using vitamin C in the morning. Varna you can use it, and I use it. It is a very nice sun protector as well, like along with SPF. If you apply like a combination of vitamin C and SPF, it's going to, you know, be that it's going to give that double sun protection. And then moving on, I'm going to go in with my favorite Episoft AC moisturizer. This is my 5th bottle abhi, and I just can't get over this. ये भी खत्म होने आया. I need to get one. But this is like so good. It is a sunscreen, does not leave a white cast. It makes your skin really nice and glowy. It moisturizes, and for normal to oily skin, this is the moisturization that you need. Abhi my skin is feeling pretty normal. It's not very dry, and this works with dry skin as well. It is pretty moisturizing, like it's really hydrating, but it's not greasy. It'll give you that really nice glow. If you guys can see, I'll show you my skin in daylight in just a bit. But this is just my morning skincare routine. मैं बस इतना ही करती हूँ. Just my vitamin C, then a moisturizer and a sunscreen. But since this is a moisturizer cum sunscreen, I don't have to go in with another sunscreen. And since I am at home, SPF 30 बस हो जाता है. And then I'm going to go in with my favorite again, the lip balm. This is what I like to apply during the daytime, this or the plum one, something that has a tint basically. Today I'm going to use this, but usually I apply something that has a tint. Morning में मुझे वैसे ही पसंद है. And in the night time I apply like a hydrating lip balm. This is also hydrating, but this also leaves a very beautiful tint, as you guys can see. And I'll show you guys बाहर कैसा है. मौसम बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. The weather is so beautiful here in Kharghar. It's raining and it's really foggy. अभी तो fog नहीं है, but कल रात को, कल evening में सब बहुत ज़्यादा fog था. It is a little foggy वैसे तो, and it is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. It's very green. because it has been raining since a few days, so बहुत ज़्यादा green हो गया है. So चलो balcony में, let's see how it looks. So this is how my skin looks in natural light. I'm just standing by the window and I absolutely love how it looks. It is so glowy and lip balm भी बहुत अच्छा है यार. I absolutely love this lip balm. थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया because the lip balm started to melt. यहाँ पे बहुत गर्मी है. Even though it's raining, it's really hot. But I absolutely love the glow that this moisturizer plus the vitamin C gives. It's not greasy, it's glowy, and me being from the dry skin type, I love anything that makes my skin glow. So this is a trick I picked up from my brother who's also a chef. He taught me that if you want perfect soft egg but you don't want to boil it, you want like fried egg, then what you can do is just sprinkle some water and then close it with a lid. You won't have to flip the egg, but the egg will be cooked on both the sides. So I really like using this. Inaya, ball. No. Okay. Ball. 20 animals. Tiger, monkey, zebra, panda, cow. ये क्या है यार? Snake, probably. Snake, sheep, donkey, cow. Then
Cow. Big cow.
Lion. There. Tiger. Inaya. Inaya. Inda. Inaya.
2,000 years later.
And now she wants to have my breakfast. Inaya. Inaya. So it's almost 11 right now. पता नहीं अब क्या करना है. Usually Inaya after she has her breakfast she would go for a shower as in वो bathtub में खेलती है for almost an hour. उसको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. So bathtub में वो अभी खेलेगी. I'll just fill the bathtub with water and I'll let her play in it for some time and then वो थोड़ा सा और खेल लेती है एंड देन शी गोज़ टू स्लीप एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई प्रिपेयर लंच. यूजुअली आई डू प्रिपेयर व्हेन शी इज़ अवेक बट इफ़ शी इज़ वॉचिंग टीवी, इफ़ शी इज़ नॉट डिस्टर्बिंग मी तब. नाउ शी इज़ कॉलिंग मी. सो दैट इज़ द प्लान फॉर टुडे. अभी उसको नहला के फिर लंच बनाना है. आई एम गोइंग टू मेक सम पनीर चिली एंड फ्राइड राइस विच आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड अबाउट. मुझे सिर्फ ऐसे डिफरेंट खाना बनाना पसंद है. आई हेट कुकिंग द रेगुलर दाल चावल, बिल्कुल ही नहीं पसंद है. सो टुडे आई थॉट आई मेक सम पनीर चिली एंड फ्राइड राइस एंड चाइनीज़ इज़ समथिंग दैट आई हैव बीन मिसिंग सिंस सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम. सो या. So Inaya is sleeping. She's sleeping with her doll. She loves to sleep with the doll. And I'm going to quickly go prepare lunch right now. అయ్యో
Onion, cauliflower, broccoli,